Hey, everybody. Today we're going to be talking about local business marketing tips, and we're going to talk specifically about content marketing. Content marketing is one of those things that if you look at big companies, they usually have some PR people on the team, and they're really great at pumping out content. What happens is very, very often is that I'll see that local businesses don't really understand the power of content marketing. Content is king right now, especially, if you're a local business. What I see with a lot of local businesses is they will use stuff like, they're doing SEO, they're doing social media, they're running ads, and that's awesome. I mean, all those things are really, really, really great. But the granddaddy of them all that we just see working, that has infinite results, that just pay over and over again, is content marketing. And the means for that is video. Video, video, video. Video is king right now. And so what you want to do is you want to teach people. We are living in an age where people are going to YouTube, where they want to learn something, they want to check out something. And so whatever your industry is, people today more than ever are just going to Google or YouTube and then learning information about that. If you're a plumber, how to find a good plumber, or just things on fixing my plumbing. They're looking for all those little things. You become the expert. Start putting together a list of all the most common questions, things that people ask you. There's a really great website. It's called I should know off the top of my head. It is a website where you're able to find out the most common questions that people ask. Ask the people. I'm going to put it on the link below, and I'll research it for you. But you can put in there common questions, and it'll give you hundreds and hundreds of questions that people ask. And those are your top videos. That what you do is you create. So let's say that you are a plumber. Let's say you're a roofer. Now, what you do is you go to this, and people want to ask, what's the difference between composition shingles and concrete, shingles? Things that cause your roof to leak, how to protect your roof, how long should my roof last? What should I look for in hiring a plumber or a roofer? I keep getting off here. All those things, you just create short little YouTube videos about that. And if you don't feel comfortable in front of the camera, get somebody in your team that does, and just create these little how-tos. There's a program called Morning Fame. Morning Fame is a really, really amazing program. And this program what it does is it allows you to be able to do keyword research, and you can put in here what people are looking for, and it will do the research for you. So let's say, for example, we use roofers, right? And so we want to say, go something along in when to replace a roof, right? When to replace a roof. Boom. When to replace a roof on a house. What it does is it searches through YouTube's search parameters, and it starts to be able to give you those contents. And it will literally build out all of the titles for you that you need to do. It will actually create hashtags. It will create links. It does everything for you. And all you do is now go in there and teach people when to replace a roof, which is a phenomenal video to do. What you do is you create that. But here's the magic of it. And this is where the local business marketing tips come into place, where I'm saying, content marketing. What you want to do is you want to now take that video, and step number one, you upload it to YouTube. And you make sure that you use your keywords. In this case here, is in your local business marketing, is to do when to replace a roof. So you'll put that in there. Now what you do is, once it's in there, you take the same exact video, and through YouTube, they have a little channel integration, a little share button. You can put that same video on Facebook. You can now use that same video on LinkedIn. This is what we do in our agency every single day, by the way. If you're watching me on video, this same video right here, I recorded it once. And the topic of this video is local business marketing tips with a focus on content marketing. And so from there, it goes from YouTube, goes to Facebook, goes to LinkedIn, goes to Pinterest, goes to Instagram, goes to TikTok. We create a shorter version for TikTok because it's 60 seconds. It goes to Reddit. It goes to Quora. It goes to Dailymotion. But it also goes to Google My Business. Google My Business. This is the tip that I want you to really be aware of, is that it's awesome because you circle back and then you go right to YouTube. So let me give you an example. I'm going to look up my company, WSI Priority Media. And so what'll happen is you look up my company, and then there is the Google My Business listing, right? And now that I'm in this Google My Business listing here, what you'll do is you have the content that you're sharing right in here. All of this content is just being shared across the board. And all of these are, you can post specials, you can post your videos, you can post content, information, all of this stuff. It's got a big old thumbnail that you can put in here. Google indexes all of this information. It gives you incredible page authority. It gives you great SEO. It links right back to your YouTube video so people can watch it. And so that is my tip for you today. That's my local business marketing tips, is start getting behind content marketing. The easiest is video. The reason why is video is the most engaging form of content that exists on the planet Earth today. It is the most shared form of content that exists on the planet Earth today. And it is easy for you to be able to take one little video on a topic that your customers want to know about and be able to syndicate it and get it out all over the internet so that people find it over and over. We get leads coming in on a continuous basis in our business from these videos that we create. And my recommendation to you would be to jump on board and do the same thing. If you go to my Facebook page, you can find on there, there is a video on there that is anchored, that is YouTube tutorial course. And you can take that and it'll show you how to be able to do some of this content marketing. I hope that this video has been helpful for you and it's given you some great information for your local business marketing. And if you ever need any help with your own business marketing, feel free to reach out. And make sure that you like and subscribe. If you've found anything that you learned on here, put it in the comments below. It helps me to know that I'm making good information that helps you. And hit the subscribe button if you'd like to be alerted of new videos just like this in the future. Thank you for watching. Goodbye for now.